Did I go down the car? I did not. Did I get the phone? I did not. Did I tell them to stop talking? I did not. You know what I did? I just said, Lord, I give this pain to you, and I will choose to forgive. I choose to forgive. What I did was, I sang the song, God will make a way. Because the song goes, God will make a way when there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. Sayang ang makeup. Wala, nandiyan si Marvick na makeup. Thank you, Sis Miriam. You know, I listened the whole time they were talking. They did not stop. Did I respect my husband for that? I did. Does he deserve it? He doesn't. I just gave it. To submit, to respect, to be gentle and quiet. Most important, to forgive. So it went on. Si Danny, nung time na yon ni Michelle, wala pa pong camera ang cellphone. Call and text na. Pero, creative po sila. Yung picture ni Michelle, nasa likod. Laki-laki dyan. So pag kumakain kami, nakataob pa yung phone. It's, I can see the picture. Did I throw it? Remove it? I did not. You know what I would do? I just pray over it. Danny is not the type who would keep his phone under the pillow or elsewhere inside the car. Hindi ganon. Kasi alam ko na. Doesn't need to hide anything.